This is Kavita Edusphere. Today's our topic values of digits in numbers. Place value and face value of digits in numbers. In a number, each digit has two values. Every number has two values. First one is face value. Second one is place value. Face value. Now we are discussing about face value. The value of the digit itself is called face value. Value of the digit itself is called face value. Definition of place value. The value of the digit according to its position in the number is called its place value. Face value is itself. Place value is according its position. Example, the face value of 8 is 8. Its value changes depending on the place. Example problems. In 4736, what is the place value of 7? In 4736, 4 is in thousands place, 7 is in hundreds place, 3 is in tens place, 6 is in ones place. So 7 is in hundreds place. The place value of 7 is 700. In 4,69,576. This number made by 6 digits. What are those digits? 4, 6, 9, 5, 7, 6. Difference between the place value of 9 and 7. Place value of 9 is 9,000. Place value of 7 is 70. Difference is 9,000 minus 70. 8,930. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.